Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add voice changer to our video using Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application, and as you can see, I have created a project, and then I'm going to add this video to the timeline. So I'm going to drag the video like this, and before I apply voice changer to my video, I'm going to show you the original one. I'm going to play the video. Okay, this is the original audio, and then if we want to apply voice changer to this video, we can go to the audio menu right here, and then we can simply select voice changer. Okay, and then here you can choose the voice changer that you want to apply. You can either choose voice filters or voice character, and I'm just going to use voice filter. I'm going to use echo. And now the echo effect has been applied to this video. And here we can customize the delay time and also the decay factor like this. And I'm going to play it again. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply voice changer to our video in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!